up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's so freaking cold this morning. OMG, you guys. It's like 26 degrees outside. It's all icy, and we're going for a cruise. Going for the winter cruise. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars now. I think there's a few more people on the way. They got a little bit of time to get here. It's literally icy on the ground. This is the first winter cruise we've had that actually feels like a winter cruise. Come somebody. Everybody's bundled up. Matt Jackson's drinking his coffee. Like a pro with no lid.
What are we doing?
We're crazy or stupid or both?
If this doesn't inspire you to get out and drive your Volkswagen, I don't know what will. Because I mean, we're from Texas and there's ice right there. John doesn't even have a heater. Did you hear that? So,
oh man. And
John drove that Slam Beetle from Lockhart, Texas to here.
Which is pretty far if you don't know.
That's like an hour and a half, I think.
At least.
Oh yeah,
just to get here.
Just to get here and then go on a 5.5 hour drive.
Yes. Get out there and drive them. That's so awesome.
The pie better be worth it. That's all I gotta say.
We're eating at Fat something burgers.
Yeah.
Fat Boy Burger.
Good times.
Oh, here we got
And I got a co-pilot today.
What's up?
Axel drinking a nice ice cold beverage.
Crazy like that?
Because his other one spilled.
We don't talk about that.
What?
He dumped fruit punch all inside my bus.
Oh my god.
Actually, he put it down and I did stupid stuff and then it spilled. So it's kind of both our fault.
Fruit punch.
Collaborative effort.
Yeah, that's what I said. A coffee cup full of fruit punch.
Yeah, gross.
All right, well, I'm gonna go warm up my hands and defrost my batteries, and we'll come back when we start driving. Bus bash. No, winter cruise.
Winter cruise.
With how many cars? Did you count how many cars?
13 by my count.
13, and one more on the way. I believe that's going to try and catch up. So we've begun our journey. We're probably going to be driving for a couple hours, but it's beautiful out here. A nice little country cruise. Woo! Woo! The joys of driving a Volkswagen.
Yep.
It's warming up. We were just talking about how everything was having a good time, and
yeah, we're all warm inside the bus.
And now here's me. I got no brakes out in the middle of freaking nowhere. My clutch cable ate a hole in my brake line, apparently, according to my pit crew. That's all underneath the bus right now. I got like 5 people there trying to figure it out. Jeez, there's all kinds of people. So we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna figure. I got some vice grips.
Put that dual circuit on there.
I got vice grips if you need to pinch something off. And so we're gonna have to fix it. You want vice grips?
Yeah, I think if you pinch it off, you're good.
Okay, so we're gonna pinch one off and hopefully I'll be able to stop. It wouldn't be the first time I've had to do that. And they're gonna get in there with some vice grips and pinch off. They're gonna pinch off the brake line, and hey, look, it's that guy they call Jake. And hopefully we can just make it on front brakes. Super fun. Yay. Yay.
Should have kept the Stockholms.
I want to slap you. So
Do
bad.
it. Do it. Slap me on camera.
Alright, this is going to be super sketchy. I don't have any brakes. They pinched off all my brake lines except for one wheel. And it's not even doing anything. I guess 2 of my brake lines got eaten by the clutch cable somehow. I don't know how. They weren't touching, so that's weird. I have to drive back like 2 miles to this church to park the bus, and we'll have to come back with the tow bar. I don't have any brakes. I don't know how. I don't know what to do. It's so weird. But luckily Jake's gonna let us ride with him, so it'll be all right. Adventure. We got it parked. I made a note. John's driving me back to the gang. Hopefully they waited for us.
Yes. Oh, I don't have a court test for the next stop, so I'll just keep driving.
Yeah, I guess. That was super hairy, man. That was like 17 miles of first gear with no brakes. That's what it felt like. I guess we're gonna redistribute me and Axel and all the camera gear into various vehicles. And we'll have to see if we can make it at least to get lunch. We'll have to come back with a tow bar and the truck and rescue the bus. So, fun. Alright, now we're in the party bus. Woo!
Hell yeah.
Too bad Jake doesn't have a dog.
Yeah, I have no music, sorry.
Oh, even Axel.
Yeah.
Go.
Maybe we can get a dog.
Where's your music?
I left it in Cooper. I only have one dongle.
Oh.
We had to get another one. Having all of us.
Anyhow, the ride of shame in the puke seat and Ziggy the bus. At least it's warm in here.
Oh yeah, dude, we had it up to 79.
79. Dude, it was 90 when I just parked my bus. It was so hot in my bus.
We were really warm until the break.
Now we can focus on filming.
Yeah, not driving.
Yeah. We're gonna do that.
So those channel locks.
So what's the story?
We are here in the shed at Fat Boy Burgers, and the Fat Burgers are they're here.
They're starting to show up.
Is that blue cheese?
Yeah. This is so much better than the world's best burger in Brandeis.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a replace the
This burger blows that burger away.
replace the cooling system, the pipes to metal, and get a clutch.
So we got our whole own little spot on the side here today. Warmed up, and we got music, and we got crayons and Uno. We're eating a burger.
Replace the heater cord, the fan, the seats, right? So,
Yeah.
You got the dash.
It's good times over here with some non-copyright legal music.
They'll get a lot because the guy's like, not this.
four best friends that anyone could have. Yes, we're the four best friends that anyone could have. Yes, we're the four best friends that anyone have. And we will never, ever, 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 ever leave each other.
There you go, Jake. I got you, buddy. Let's go, superstar. There it is.
Formed by German immigrants, driven in German Volkswagens. Luckenbach, Texas.
Luckenbach, Texas. We are in Luckenbach, Texas. We had a Shiner beer, right, Axel?
That's right.
Axel had his first beer in Luckenbach, Texas.
Root beer.
Yeah, root beer.
Yeah, root beer. And you know, we're just chilling. We played some
Trash can ball.
trash can ball, and they roped a wooden steer, and we're just, weather's nice. This is a nice little winter cruise, guys.
We're having a lot of fun.
This is good stuff. I like this. Other than, you know, I don't have a bus here.
Hey, it could be gone forever if someone steals it.
Golly, I might be in the market for a bus if someone finds it. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, but I bet someone knows where it is now.
Hopefully this video ends in a happy ending and you get it home in one piece.
Yeah, I have to go home, get a tow bar, get a truck, drive all the way out back to where it is, somewhere in the hill country, and then drag it all the way home.
Fix it.
And then order a bunch of parts. Always ordering parts for these Volkswagens.
Stupid Volkswagen.
But we're thankful we have people that can help us try to crimp the brake lines and
Fix it.
and you know, give us a ride and loan us a tow bar. And
out here.
Axel's doing whatever Axel does, supporting the channel. You see, got that $50 hoodie on. So, yep, more fun, and then the ride home. You're taking the long way home, I hear.
Yes, the backcountry road.
The backpack country through the
Backpack.
through the river road or whatever.
Should be beautiful.
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 So, onward to that then. All right, just made it home. Got the tow bar from Gary's house. Went back down to the house, got the truck. Got to drive back out. It's like an hour and a half. Hour and a half to where the bus is. And then get it scooped up, loaded up, and then an hour and a half to get back. So we still got quite the day ahead of us. Except that now it's not day anymore. It's nighttime and temperature's dropping again. It's getting pretty close to freezing, so this should be some good times. Trying to get that stupid thing. Called my insurance company because I got good towing, and they said, oh yeah, you got really, 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 really good towing for 20 miles. We're about 40 miles away. So that's not gonna do me any good. It would be like $200 if I had them tow it back to my house. So save myself some money and just tow bar that thing back. You know, at least I get to drive out there in a regular car and not back out there in the bus again. So, we'll see. Man, it is dark out here. Can't see a thing. It's just darkness and deer. Where it's supposed to be. Just here. Oh, it's still there. Awesome. This creepy abandoned building over here. And then there it is. Doesn't look like it's been messed with. Oh man, it's freezing cold out here. We got it hooked up. We got the tow bar on, we got the lights on. I checked the lights work, so. Oh my god, what a long day. Got like an hour and a half ride home. Still towing the bus and then getting all the stuff unhooked in the driveway and trying to get it up there with no brakes on the steep driveway. Full ice. My driveway is still covered in ice from before. There's ice in the wheel wells of the bus still. That's how cold it is out here. I'm gonna call it a day. What an exciting trip. The winter cruise slash self-rescue out in the middle of freaking nowhere. But whatever, it's going home today. So I'm happy I get to bring it. It's, I guess the church folk across the street were watching it for me all day. She drove by right as I got here and she asked if we needed any help or anything. Real nice, super sweet lady. So she said they were keeping an eye on it for us, which is nice. So that's it. I'm gonna drive home. It's dark and it's lonely and I'm not gonna make you watch. So get a shirt down below with the link. Visit all the friends. Check out all our links. And hit that subscribe button. Like it, share it, tell everybody. And thanks for watching.